everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am not going to bore you with my face. This video is not about that whatsoever. I would say it's a relatively short video today. Just a bit of, again, background information for those that regularly watch me. Just trying to find the time at the moment to do videos was really actually quite difficult, hence why they're not coming out every Saturday morning, which they should be. Actually has a detrimental effect on viewing figures, would you believe? And yeah, last couple have not been particularly great because they're just published at random times in the week. So yeah, I need to try and get back on it a bit. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, we might be able to do something a bit better. Number one is that the weather is a lot better, so that is good. Number two is I've cleared some sort of old stock out. I say stock, it was the BMW and the grey lounge. So as you know from a previous video, they've all gone. So we've still got the 14 plate Sport, which is getting close to being finished, and this video is about a new purchase which I've gone and done, and it's a bit different. I say it's different. There is a similarity between a lot of my videos and this, but it's just a bit different. You'll see in a minute, because we're going to go to the auction site and show you what I've gone and done, and I haven't gone and got it yet. I'm fingers crossed this is just a disposal and not a bag of nails. Yeah, so anyway, that was just really a brief update. We're still working on that grey Sport. Hopefully there'll be another video of that next week, but in the meantime, what you're about to see is what's happened this morning, and in a couple of weeks time we'll do a walk around on the next car. Yeah, I don't know if I've taken a risk on this one, I'll be honest. I have absolutely no idea whether or not this is going to work for me or not. So yeah, but anyway, enjoy the weather, because I think it's about to go wrong again, isn't it, next week. Enjoy the most of the garden, and enjoy cleaning those car seats as well, because they'll dry like no time at the moment. So yeah, so let's go and have a look at this auction and let's see what we've got, and then you can tell me whether or not this is a good buy or not. So, as you know, we've used BCA and Copart, and I've even used eBay to buy cars. I have a synetiq account, which I know a few of you also do. The fees are cheaper than Copart, and I've always had it, and to be honest with you, we are coming up to a year, and I don't think, if I'm being honest with you, I've used it in that year. So as you can see, it runs out on 13 days, so 2 weeks from now. But as you can see below, this is the purchase. We have gone with a 2014 Fiat 500 Sport twin air 6-speed. So my first twin air. Now, it's not the first twin air in the family. My dad did have a Mito. They're not my favourite engine for 500, I'll be honest. The 1.2 is still the one to go, but there are fans of the twin air, and I get that. And there should also be people who want to buy a twin air. So I've gone ahead and bought it. Now, there's obviously a few things to say about this. We will come to the pictures in a minute. So, I don't know if it's going to talk about it on here. It does. That's good. So, 75,000 miles. There's no category to it. Nothing at all. It's a 14 plate, I can tell you that. And as you can see, there's no V5. It does start, it does run. There is keys, doesn't say how many. There's no service history, and there is everything else. So it's not stolen. It's been sold by car.co.uk, which seems to be some sort of we buy any car kind of thing. I don't really know too much. I had a quick look at it. They are a bit all over the place, I'm not going to lie. So I'm not really sure exactly what the purpose of their business is, but they've sold a number of cars through synetiq. And what have we got? So it says here, this is a description. So this is what we're looking at here. Let me highlight it for you. This bit here. Right. So starts and drives forwards and backwards. Slight damage to near side front wing. Age-related marks. MOT expiry is actually due in, this month. Original cat. There's got floor mats. Woohoo! And it's got a spare wheel kit. Oh no, sorry, I take that back. Spare wheel kit, no. So it hasn't got a spare wheel kit. Don't know why. And the stereo's working. So that's what we're looking at. Right. So if we go into the pictures here, near side front wing. So we're talking this wing here. So if we just zoom in on this, initially I actually can't see any issue with it. There's marks to this bumper here, as you can see here, and I'm not sure, I don't believe that's a colour mismatch. Obviously very difficult to tell, but it doesn't appear to be. But there doesn't appear to be any damage to this side of the wing that I can see. Right. We'll zoom in on this side, just in case they've got the wrong side of the wing. There is nothing on this side as well. And again, sorry, got a helicopter coming over. Again, there doesn't appear to be any damage on here. Nothing that I can see. So that's the frontal. On the rear. Oh, wait, sorry. On the rear, can't see anything wrong with this. It's all looking pretty good, I'd say. He says. So there's your twin air engine. And doesn't look like it's been taken apart for any particular reason, so that's good. It's a Vata battery, so that's good. Electronic speedo with no faults showing at the moment. We do have 3/4 of a tank of fuel as well, but nothing there to indicate there's an issue. Down here, looking at anything like whether or not the ignition's been tampered with. It has got 2 keys. There you go. It's got 2 keys. Anything tampered with doesn't appear to be. Although strangely, that looks. Is that a V? It almost looks like a V5 on the seat, even though they say there's not. But anyway, take that with a pinch of salt. Nothing else problematic here, apart from these need a good clean. Okay, so around the gear knob, we've got this come away, but I've got plenty of those to deal with. That is a V5, strangely. So, yeah, not sure what's going on there, but again, no real appears to be any issues there. The old back seats, nothing there, nothing there, and then we're back to the front. So, that is the car. And I don't think there's anything else that I need to say about the car. Now, how much did I pay for it? So, uncategorised 75,000 mile sport. I've just paid with fees 1,400. Which I appreciate. The Twin Air does actually doesn't hold as much value as the 1.2. I get it, but uncategorised, I don't think that's too bad. If there's anything wrong, I'm hoping it might be clutch or gearbox, because those can be easily sorted out. The engine, I'll be honest, and I don't obviously know how well it's been looked after, and those Twin Airs do need to be looked after with the right oil and etc. So, 1,440 in total for that. Let me know what you think, whether or not you think I've got a good deal or not. And yeah, I'll aim to get that next week at some point, and we'll see how we get on. I don't think there's really anything else to mention. So, without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hit the subscribe button, because if you want to see this car in the flesh and see whether or not I've bought something decent or I've bought junk, then do let me know, and do subscribe and put your comments in the box below. And until next time, thank you all for watching. And don't forget, there's a little bell icon which will alert you when a video is coming up. But until next time, I will see you all very, very soon.